of Snowstorm.
Sweetie, come on, it's dinner time.
I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to. I'm not hungry.
Come. I don't want to go.
But what are you playing, Ma? I don't want to eat. I'm not hungry. Yeah, I'm gonna go up my room. Hey, kids, where you going? I'm not hungry. Yeah, me too. I'm not hungry either. So I'm gonna go upstairs, play with my toys. Okay, but when your mother says to call you, you get down immediately. Okay. Okay, Papa. Okay, Papa. Wait, no. Let's go. Let's not play with the toys. Let's wake up Sissy. Yeah, that's a good idea. Sissy, wake up! Oh my God. Oh, guys, be quiet. It's dinner time. I'm trying to hold on to my beauty sleep. Be quiet. Let me just go sleep now. And I'm not hungry. So let me sleep in peace. Anyways, let's play with our toys. Okay. Oops. I'm sitting next to Teddy Bear. I'm sitting in flower. I'm sitting here. And my mom doesn't know that we have snack stationaries. I'm gonna get a snack. Lollipop. No. Oh, ice cream. Ice cream. Oops. Ooh. Oh. Gypsies. Lollipop. Gypsies. Potato chips. Anyways, let's go downstairs. What was that? Oops. Oh. What's that? What's that? Oh, I have to eat these quickly. We don't want Mama to know. What was that? What was that? Oh, what? Let me just check. Oh my God. Wait a minute. What? Huh? Oh my God. It's a snow. Oh my God. It's very cold. It's very cold. It's a very cold snow. I'm too freezing. Oh my God, Dad, I'm so cold. Get back inside. Oh my God.
We need to turn on the heating.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, he's right.
Okay. I'll go turn them on. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm cold too. Oh my god, I was coughing. I'm sick. Oh my god, you guys are cold. I don't worry. The heat's on my work, right?
Yeah, I think it's not working. I think it's broken.
Oh my god. Well, I'm shivering too. So am I.
So am I. I'm shivering so much that even the heaters are not working. I need to put this back.
Oh my god. We are cold too. Everybody's freezing, I guess. I think it's a snowstorm. Let me go check. Guys, you won't believe. Don't worry, guys. I turned on the fire. Everybody, get back. Get in here. Oops. Everybody's good. Everybody's good. Yeah.
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 Too hot.
Yeah. We're too hot. We're too hot.
Oh my god. But even worse. Cause how is it working? Everybody, let's get up. Oh my god. I'm so cold. Let's go, Sissy. Let's go tell Big Sissy. Yeah. Come on, let's go tell. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so cold. I'm so cold. Oh my god. Why is it so cold? Let's go to mom's and dad's room. Yeah.
Oh, no, you're not going to our room.
But it's way better.
Fine.
Wait, to get worse.
Yeah.
I'm so shivering cold.
I'm
I'm trembling.
cold.
I'm trembling. I'm so shivering cold. Shivering. I'm so cold. Sorry guys, it's just like I don't know what's wrong with the camera. I'm even colder. I'm so cold. I'm the only one who's left out. Wait a minute. Guys, sorry, this might be taking a long enough time, right?
I know it's taking so long. Oh my gosh.
Da 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 da.
Look at the mark.
Guys, I'm so sorry. This is worse.
No,
Let me just reset my. Let me just reset the world.
I'm about to become current.
Toca boca.
Guys, I think this area might have a little problem.
I'm sure this will take forever.
Finally, everybody's fixed.
Finally! Oh, jeez.
Okay,
Did I go a little too hard?
guys, I think there's a snowstorm. I think there is. Yeah, Mom, you're right. I don't know. Shh. Shh. Say something.
Yeah, I also think this is a snowstorm. But what can we do to stay warm? Dad, do you got any ideas?
I'm so let's get back to our beds. I think that's warm. Yeah.
Yeah, I have no ideas.
Probably like, yeah, I think that's correct. Yeah, I'm going back to my room. Say,
What can we do with you guys here if Mum and Dad are in the bed?
what did I just say, you dummy? I said, let's get to our room in bed and sleep in peace. Watch something.
Well, it's not my fault that I'm shivering and I can't listen to you since I'm already having pain.
Yeah, everybody has a pain. Come on, guys.
Or use your common sense for once.
Be quiet, anyways. Oh my god, I'm so cold.
So cold. I am so cold. Then let's get into our room.
Give me my toy back.
So
I'm gonna stay here. I'm the only one who's cold. Okay guys, that's it for the video and I'll see you in the next part. Bye guys.
bye.